Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can fix your mouse scrolling problem. So for many people, their mouse scroll wheel automatically scrolls for no reason, or it can scroll way too fast sometimes. Alongside that, you may not be able to double click and it might click too fast for you. So like when you press it once, it might double click. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can fix all those problems. To begin, what we're going to do is, as you can see, we're on our Windows home page. What we simply want to do is navigate down to the bottom left corner where the start menu is, open it up, and what we're going to do is we're going to be writing control panel, spelled like this. Pause the video and write it down. And as you can see, this is the app right here. We're going to open it up. From there, you should be met with this. Now, the first thing we're going to be doing is right here next to adjust your computer settings, there's the view by, and ours is on category. Yours could be on large icons or small icons or whichever. However, what we're going to be pressing on is pressing on this and making it small icon so it looks just like this. Make sure it looks just like mine. From there, 1, 2, 3, so the third row from the left, the fourth option from the top, as you can see, mouse. Once you press on mouse, you will be met with this tab. What we're going to do is first, on the buttons tab, we want to make sure it's exactly in the middle, the double click speed. Nothing more, nothing less, exactly in the middle. So as you can see, it's a test. I do it fast. I do it slow. So yeah, so there's the difference. Just make sure it's in the middle. So from there, we're going to be going to pointer options. From there, make sure enhance pointer position is turned off. And then we're going to go to the wheel option. From there, make sure both these numbers are on 3 and the following number of the lines at the time is what it's set to. If this does not work for you and you still have problems, you can go over and make both of these 4 or 5. However, 3 should be the correct value. So there you have it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Press on apply, press OK, and you should be done. If you did enjoy this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget that bell icon so you don't miss any of Growmore Tech's tech tutorials. Other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.